Racing just is started outstanding break quickly at the start. Moving up now Arias that is love with class Quincy on the down on the inside is Iwo Jima. While Rolly Polly is the early trailer by about 6 lengths up. The leader we have love with class. Now takes command. Moving up now Arias that is Iwo Jima. Outstanding is down on the inside. Quincy on the comes next. While Rolly Polly is still racing in fifth. And going along for the first turn, we have Love with Glass by about 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up now, Arias, that is Iwo Jima. Outstanding comes next, Quincy and Duck. Now moving up on the outside, Rolly Foley is racing in fifth. Back to the leader. We have Love with Glass maintaining a half-length lead. Iwo Jima still in second. 3 lengths further back in third. Moving up is Quincy and Duck. Outstanding. While Rolly Foley is still racing in less than a 4 turn. We have Love with Glass maintaining a half-length lead. About to throw the challenge now on the outside is Quincy and Doc to take the lead. We have Quincy and Doc takes command. Love with Glass is down on the inside. Outstanding remains in third. Then comes Rolly Foley and Iwo Jima now racing in less as they swing for home. We have Quincy and Doc by about half length. Moving up on the outside. Outstanding Rolly Foley likewise moving up. Last 100 meters, Quincy on deck. Outstanding Rolly Foley is on the outside. Quincy on deck. Outstanding Rolly Foley. And finally, it's Quincy on deck. Close between Rolly Foley, outstanding Love with Glass, and Iwo Jima.
Yun, si Queen Shondok ang unang tumawid ng finish line. It's fourth, tapos close for second between 2